delicious.
Tea time review. It's just yummy, just really yummy. Today we are going to review this BlackEye Wide G4 Universal Smartphone Lens. So this is supposed to work with all kinds of smartphones, even with an iPad, and even on your laptop. If your laptop has a little camera on the very top, you can clip this over the top and it'll work with a laptop. This is what it looks like. This is the wide angle lens, and it's made from BlackEye. It is pretty heavy. So it's a heavy lens, and it clips, and the clip is very strong. It stays on. There's like a little silicone right here that produces a nice grip. And hello. I read a lot of reviews on these kind of clip-on lenses, and I thought they were a really cool idea. I downgraded from a big DSLR because I just wanted to be lightweight, and I wanted a lightweight camera so I could take it around with me. And for some of the first videos that I did, I just used this iPhone 6. So I really wanted to make this phone like a nicer way to take videos when I'm out and I have nothing but my phone. So I could definitely carry this little thing with my phone. And many of the videos that I saw, you needed with the Moment lens, you need a certain kind of cell phone case. And I really like my case. I've had it for years and I don't want to get rid of it. So I thought, well, I'm not going to put a different case on this phone just because I want to film with a wider angle. You could take a regular photo and you could show this much, but with the video, it'll just show this much, for example. So if you put one of these clip-on lenses onto your cell phone, you'll have the same quality video, and you don't get more pixelation like if you zoom in and zoom out. It'll just maintain the same quality, but it'll look nicer, a little wider. So let's see what this looks like, and I want to show you guys. To line it up, you just look at it and make sure that it's centered, and you can see way more in the screen than if you didn't have it. I thought it was just cool because I really like the look of a wide angle, and if I am going outside vlogging or whatever, I can capture more. Let's go outside.
Without it, you get a close-up of my face, close-up of the tree, close-up of my face, close-up of the tree. Micro lens. Subscribe button and share this video. I hope that it helps you to decide if you want the wide angle lens from BlackEye. It's a nice little tool to have in your kit. Thank you. Thanks for watching.